I'm watching Scrapping with Grandpa as I'm getting ready to drive this load into the scrapyard on a Saturday. Special Saturday load. Let's go, Grandpas. Okay, we're here. Let's go get weighed. Let's get this figured out. Almost there. The mountain of aluminum. Baby mountain of cardboard. Large bins full of it. This is where we do it. All right, that's how much we weigh, 8,200. Yes, that's the 110 freeway if you're not from LA, right next to this place. Man, it never gets old looking at this big pile of construction debris. And definitely that tractor gets to go wherever it wants. I will go after. The water in the air, keep the dust down. Good stuff. Let's go get our place to dump. Beautiful day out here, Southern California. What rain. Huh. $400. It's a ream. It's basura. That ream is like, they bought it at Home Cheapo. Yeah. Okay, have a day. You too, man. Always hustling. I love your truck, man.
Yeah, it's a big truck.
Beautiful. Yeah, some guys want the water heaters because the valve on it has some value, and they know a guy like in a community next to us in Compton where they buy them, fix them up, resell them. But sorry to say that about Ream, man. They just, I swear to God, if I collect 10 water heaters, I bet you 7 of them are Reams. And they don't look very old. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I'll let my consumers out here listening to my video, all 4 of you, make your own decisions when it comes to buying a water heater. That one's gone by. I always think of that Friday movie. Bye, Felicia. Oh man, they ain't lying. So I had this little load. I'm trying to keep my trucks empty because it looks like Monday I've got a big load of heavy stuff coming in. So I said, well, let's get this truck unloaded today, that we're ready to go on Monday without having to, you know, move a lot of stuff around. And I like saving cords. I got to dump some oil for a friend later. And all in all, it's just going to be a good day of this stuff. So I said, let's get it moving. Let's get it out of here. Let's start afresh on Monday. And don't have to buy dinner today. My beloved's been hustling for me and for herself. And we found this Lebanese place that, man, they make the best vegan dishes that I like. The best chicken dish she likes. Just good stuff all the way around. So that's going to be our treat tonight. Get rid of this good metal. This metal goodness. Get it out of here, Grandpa. Let's go. And I like that. Boom. Heck yeah. Love that part. Yep. So as I was saying, I bring in a lot of my more high-priced metals to Atlas Iron and Metal Works in Los Angeles, but it sounds like they're having some issues, permit issues where they're located, and they're temporarily closed down. So as I share with everybody, I also take my better metals to SA Recycling, and they're pretty like an international corporation. They're big out here on the West Coast for sure, and sure do appreciate them. Though I will say that the pricing at Atlas was definitely a little bit more favorable. And we wish them the best too. They were nice people. I hope they get their environmental issues settled. I know it's always tough to have a business close to a school. We're California, after all. We have a lawsuit for a lot of different things, and I get it. Sometimes it makes no sense at all. I'm for everybody making $1, but sometimes California can get a little wonky on that. There are a lot of different issues. Hey, but I got blue skies and a place to do a little side hustle. Weather's pretty good all the time. Got no beef there on that issue. Keep those nails and screws away from me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep this stuff locked up. Keep it away so I can sweep up the truck a little bit when we get done here. All right. Almost done. Almost got all these out of here. You got it. All right. I'm about ready to sweep this thing. Flag screws, washers, all this stuff. It's gotta go. All right, time to flip up and clean up Grandpa, and then we'll go get weighed and get paid. Thanks for coming out. I like these Saturdays. Kind of quiet out here. All right, there you go. I really can't complain. It's a small load, 700 bucks. Still 195-ish, 196 a gross ton. So 60 bucks overnight. Empty the truck, clean this truck up, and I'm ready to go for Monday for the big load. So hey, get out there and hustle. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thank you.